Hello guys, welcome to the web designing course. My name is Wasim and today we are going to start our lecture number 11. Before starting the lecture, I will request to everyone please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone can make their own websites and earn money online. Now let's start. As in the last lecture, we have created these pages. First, let me explain you. This is the structure of the website. We have created this structure in the table tag in HTML. Let me explain you. This was the logo and advertisement area. This was the menu area. This is new sticker, slider area, and this is the content area with the two sidebars. And this was the footer area. Now, this is the content area with the two sidebar. In the last lectures, I have told you that if you have more than one website, how you can create the link of your website here. I have told you the method. And if you have some advertisement images from the Google AdSense, how you can put those images in your website. And also in the last lecture we have created the pages for this menu tab like marketing, designing, blog and content. I have told you this is marketing, designing, blog and content pages here. Now today we are going to create the content for these pages. In the last lecture we have created the pages. Now today we will create the content for these pages. Now let's start from the marketing page. As I have told you that the home page is index page, and when we click on the marketing page, this is, you can see marketing.html is open here. Now the most important thing that according to the design, if I need on these pages logo, menu, new sticker and slider, I need on all the pages, then I will not remove this table tags from my pages, right? I hope you understand this thing what I'm saying you. Like according to my design, in all pages in marketing, designing, blog and content page, I need logo, advertisement, menu, new sticker and slider, also the sidebars in all the pages and also the footer. So that's why we will just work on the content area. Here I will put my content according to my pages. Now let's start from the marketing.html. This is our page marketing.html. I have told you that how you can open these pages in the notepad. This is our marketing page and we have to work in the content. This is the content section. I have told you how to check that whether I'm on the correct position or no. I will put here a 1. I will save my file and refresh my browser just to check whether I'm on the right place. Yes, you can see I'm on the right place. What I will do is I will put the content here. How I can put the content? First of all, I will make a table, right? I will put the closing tag here. What I want to show here, I want some text here and some images of the brochure you can see here, because we are on the marketing page. So in the marketing I need some introduction of my marketing strategies here, and at the bottom I need some my brochures or cards, something like this. So how I will do this? Let's start. This is my content area. This was my side area where I have put these links, and this is the picture area which is here, this one. You can see this is the picture area. So we are in between here. I will write a table tag here. I will do this. I will write tr closing tag. In between I will write here td closing tag. Right. Now what I will do, I will put some text here. So this is the, I will open here some files. This is the dummy text side where you can use the dummy text. I will copy this thing and paste it in my file. will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the data is here. Now what I want, these data should be on top, and here I need the 3 pictures, like that should be my card, brochure, or anything else like this. So as I have told you that how you will put the border here. If you do not understand this thing, that what I'm writing here, you can review my last lectures, and even then if you will not understand anything, you can comment me, I will answer your questions, right? I will put here like blue, right? I can also put here the width. The total width is, you can see this is the 600, right? And 1 pixel is for the border. So if we see the design, you can see here are border from this one, this border are from everywhere. So that's why I will write here 580. Why I'm writing here 580? If I will exceed this thing, then this table will exceed from my container. Let me give you one example. Like if I will write here 590, I will save this thing, refresh my browser. You can see this should not happen, right? So for this, avoiding this mistake, I write here 580. You can adjust this according to your design, right? You can see everything is in the container, right? And table is also showing. So what I need, I do not need this content one here. I will remove this thing, and I will put a height here. I will put the height 200. Why I put the height 200? Because my mean table height is 400, right? So that's why I put here 200. This is my main table height is 400. I want to divide this in 2 parts, so that's why I write the height 200. Hope you understand this thing, right? Now I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see. Now what I want this table on the top. So I have told you everything that how you can show this table on the top. You will put in this TD, because we are in this TD. So I will write here V align top. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. You can see this is on the top. Now what I want this text also on the top. So for this purpose, what I will do in this TD, because I'm writing the text in this TD, right? So I will write here this thing, V align top. If I will write here V align bottom, then my text will be shown on here on the bottom of this table. You can see the text is on top. You can also put the justify attribute just to justify the data. Now on here I need the 3 pictures. How I will do that? This is my first row, right? I will make a one more row here. Hope you understand this thing what I'm saying here. Or I can make a one table more. I will write a table, right? If I will make a one row more, then the data will be shown in this table. But I want to write or put the picture in this area, so that's why I'm going to create a new table. Hope you understand this thing what I'm saying. If you do not understand this thing, you can comment me, I will answer your question. Right here I will put the TD, the closing tag of TD. Now here I want to put the picture. First of all, I will write here the pic. I will save this thing, refresh my browser just to check you whether we are working in the right way or no. Yes, exactly, we are on the right way. The pic word is showing there. Now this is my TD and this is my TR. So first of all, what I will do, I will put border here. So guys, this is everything which I'm doing in the table structure. We can also put the border color. The border color is blue. I will put the width. I have told you earlier that how you can put the width. Width is 580. Height, I have told you that the total height is 400, so that's why I'm writing here 200, because we have divided this one in the two parts. If we will divide in three parts, then accordingly I will divide 400 into 3. So this is the one. Here you can see this is the table is showing and one picture is showing here. So just to show the three picture in the form of the columns, what I will do is I will create the TDs, 3 TDs. If I want to show the pictures in the row form, like in the row, so I will create the TRs. Here I need TDs, but first of all I will write here a line center. You will see your picture will be in the center of the table. Here you can see. Now I will create 3 TDs of this one. So I will copy this thing, I will paste here, and I will paste here. I will refresh this thing. Here you can see the 3 pictures are showing on the table, right? If I want to, this is showing in the column form, that's why I create the TD. If you want to show this thing in the row form, that you can create TR, right? Let me tell you how you can show this in the TR. If I will remove this thing and I will copy this thing for the 3 times, save this thing, refresh my browser, you can see the pictures are now in the raw form. Hope you understand this thing, right? But we do not need this thing, we just need this column form, because this is the design of my website, so that's why I'm doing this. You can do accordingly, right? So my marketing page is final now. This is my home page, index.html. You can see, so this is HTML, marketing.html, and the content on this page is complete according to my design. Now this is my designing page. What I want to show here on the designing page, I want to show my designer's picture here, and their name also, and some content or introduction of the designing or designing team, right? How I will do this, I will first of all I will open my page, designing.html page. This is my designing.html page. I will open this in the notepad. Right, now what I will do, I will find the content area where we have to work. This is my content area. Just to check whether I'm on the right position or no, I put the 1 on the with the content. I will refresh my file. You can see content 1. I'm on the designing.html. You can see here, right? Now what I will do is I will make a table here also. The same way, table opening tag, table closing tag. In between I will write TR and TDs, right? Same way I will write here TD, closing tag. Now first of all, what I want to show, I want to show the pictures in the column form. I have told you how you can show this thing in the column form. Let me show you again this thing. This is my TD, right? What I will do is I will write here just the pic, save this thing, refresh my browser just to show you whether exactly the pic code is there. It means the table is there. Now what I will do is I will write here border as right in the last page, border color, you can put here blue color or any color according to your design. I put the width here, like I will put here 580 just to become in the container. height. I will put here height like 200, right? I will save this thing, refresh my browser, and you can see, right, the table is here, picture is showing. Now what I will do is I will divide it in the 3 parts, but before that I want this on the top, so I will put here the v-line attribute with the top property, right? And I need also this thing in the center, so I will write here center. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the table is also on the top and the pick is in the center. So what I need, I want to show in the column form, so I will copy this thing and refresh my browser, right? Here you can see the 3 pictures are showing. Now what I will do, I will put the picture here. So I have already told you that how you can put the picture in your page. This is the image tag. Here I have to write the correct path. How I will write the correct path, let me tell you. This is the images folder. These are the 3 pictures of the designers. You can say that I want to show these pictures on my designing page. How I will show this picture, let me tell you. So my folder name is images, right? And my picture name is 1.png. I have told you in the last lectures that this is very important, the extension .png, .png, .jpg, right? So you have to correctly write the path there. If you are not going to write the correct path, then it will not show there, right? I will save this thing. So image tag has do not closing tag. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. But before that, we have to put the width and height also. What I want width like 150 pixel and also the height 150 pixel. Why I'm putting here 150? Because my total height is 200, so that's why I'm putting the height is 150 and width 150, just to show whether it is in the, it will show in the correct position. So same here, I will copy this thing, image tag. I will copy this image tag from here. I will write in my OTDs. Now as you can see in the folder, this is 1.png, this is 2.png, and this is 3.jpg. What it means that you have to change your extension also here, right? I will write here jpg. Hope you will understand this thing. I will save this thing and show you the result. You can see you have to write here the picture name also. I will refresh this thing. Here you can see 3 pictures of the designer are showing here. Now what I want to show their name also and some content. So for this purpose, what I will do, I will make a one more table here like this. I will write here td, first of all tr, the closing tr tag, and then I will put here the td, right, like this. In the td, what I will do is This was our work. Here in the TD I will write here ABC, right, and I will copy this thing for the 3 times. Let me first show you that how you can put the border. First of all, I will write here border, just 1 pixel, border color blue, and I will put the width here also. .580, right, and in between I will write here height. What I want the height like 50, and see I need the 50 height, right, and I will save this thing, refresh my browser just to show you whether we are working correct or no. No, we are out of the container. Why we are out of the container? Yes, because we are not working on that TD. We have to write this thing in the TD. You can see, let me show you that how we are working wrong. This is our TD, this one, this is TD. We have to do work in this TD. Hope you understand this thing. So I will paste this thing here, right? I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see this was my TR, which is, it should be here, right? I will save this thing. This is my table in the TD which I have created. I will refresh my browser, right? You can see this tag also should be closed. Here you can see, right? I write this thing, this table out of TD, that's why this was wrong, right? Now what I want to copy this, but before that I want the name should be in the middle. So what I will do, I will write here a line, center, right, and copy this thing. Save this thing, and here you can see the name are showing of our team members or designers. You can say whatever. Right now what I want in this TD, I want to show the table. I will copy this thing and paste this thing in the TD. You can see what I will do. Let me explain you. I have make a table. I have make a table, right, for this. Now what height I will write here, 50 height I have already given to the name, and this is the 200 height which I have already given to the images. So 250 is occupied, the remaining is 150 because the total height was 400. So I will put the height 150 in the TD. I will paste some text from here, right? Hope you understand this thing. I will paste this here. I will save this thing, refresh my browser just to check you. Yes, my data is showing here. Hope you understand this thing. Right, now if we come here, this is our home page, right? This is our marketing page. I have told you that how you can make your marketing page, and this is our designing page where we show our designer pictures, or you can say that we show our team pictures, their name, and some text about our designing team. This is our blog page. Now this is our content page. Now let's say create content for contact page. This is our contact page. I have to find the word content here. So here we have to do the work. Just to avoid the error, I will write here 1, save this thing, refresh my browser whether I'm on the right place or no. You can see I'm on the contact.html and contact one is written there. Now what I want to show here, I want to show the name, email address like this. I will write here the table closing tag, right? Now tr and td, tr closing tr tag. In between I will write here the td closing tag. Right. Now what I want, I will also put here the border. But before that, let me show you. Let me write something here like name. Save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see the name is showing. Now how I will do this thing, let me show you. First of all, what I will do, I will write here the border color. Border color you can put green, right? Width you want to put here the width, you can write any width here. The total width is 600. I want to show this thing in the 400 line, right? And height, I need the height, you can say 400 for this purpose, right? Or 300, right? Now what I will do, I will save this thing, refresh my browser just to check whether we are working correct or no. You can see, right? Now what I want, I will write here name, copy this thing, and on the front I will write here some name like ABC, anything. I will save this thing, refresh my browser just to check whether we are working correct or no. Exactly, we are working correct. Now these things should be in center, so I will write here the attribute center, right? The same way I will write here the property center. I will refresh this thing, right? Everything is in the center. Now what I want to show email. I will copy this thing, refresh this thing just to show you whether we are. Now I will put here name, email, phone number, or anything you want to write here. So I will put here name, I will put here email, I will put here phone number, I will put here message, or something, anything like email. I will write here easy@abc.com. On the phone number I will write something, my phone number, like this, and message here, welcome. I will save this thing, refresh my browser. Here you can see. Now you can see the name, email, phone, and message is showing here, but you will see the width is different. The name and ABC cells are with a different width. You can manage this width by writing here the width. Hope you understand this thing, right? How you can manage the width, this is your assignment task. Now students, this is our home page, this is our marketing page. You can see here, this is our marketing page. This is our designing page where we can show our designers or team member names and etc. And this is our contact page. Right, now what is the assignment for today? Hope you understand this thing. If you do not understand this thing, you can comment me, I will answer your questions. And the assignment for today is what? Let me tell you. Here we have right here the pic. You have to put the picture images here on all the pages. You can see on all the pages this is the same, right? You have to any pictures on the picture what here, you will put any pictures here, you will put all the picture here, and this link should be workable. Like if I will click here www.google.com, then I should go google.com. If I will click on this link, then I should jump to google.com. Hope you understand this thing. Let me explain you again. On all the pages you have to put the 3 pictures here, and this link should be clickable, and also the picture here, right? This is the task for today. And how you can make the blog page, I will tell you in the next lecture. Thank you very much for today. Hope you will like this thing. If you like the video, please thumbs up the video. And this is all for today. Please practice this more and more time so that you will become the good developer. Once again, I will request to everyone, please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share my videos with everyone so that everyone make their own sites, and please thumbs up my video. Thank you so much for today.